Hey everyone, want to start running Facebook ads but not sure where to begin? In this video, I will walk you through how to set up a Facebook ads campaign step by step, even if you are a total beginner. By the end, you will be ready to launch your first ad with confidence. Let's dive in. Before creating your ads, make sure you have a Facebook business page, a Meta business a manager account, a product or service to promote, creative assets like images or videos, plus ad copy. Now go to adsmanager.facebook.com. Click create campaign. Click create to start new campaign. You will see three labels like campaign, ad set, ad. Campaign, objective, ad set, target target targeting plus budget, ad creative. Meta offers several campaign objectives. Pick one that matches your goal. Traffic for clicks to a website or landing page. Engagement, get links, comments or follows, leads, collect emails or form sign ups. Sales, optimize for purchases on your site. App promotion, promote a mobile app. For beginners, traffic or leads is a great place to start. Now, click on awareness, then click next. Enter your location, select age, range, audience suggestion. Use detailed targeting to add interests like online shopping, fitness, entrepreneurship. You can also use custom audience for retargeting. Budget and schedule. Set a budget like that, schedule like that. Choose a daily or lifetime budget. Set your start and end dates or leave it running continuously. Choose manual placements if you want to control where your ad appears, or select advantage plus placements plus for automatic optimization. Choose your Facebook page and Instagram account. Select single image, video, or more. Upload your media. Write your primary text. When text like want better skin in 30 days, try our vegan skincare line. Headline, get glowing skin today. CTA button, shop now or learn more. Preview your ad on different placements like mobile, feed, stories, desktop. If you have a website, install the Meta Pixel to track performance. Go to Events Manager. click connect data source, connect the data, then web, choose from here, then metapixel. Follow the steps to add it to your website like WordPress, Shopify, or via Google Tag Manager. Pixel helps track conversions, build custom audience, and retarget visitors. Superpower. Double check your ad copy, targeting, budget, and creative, then click publish. And your ad will go into review mode. Once approved, it will go live and start reaching your audience. Use A/B testing to compare different headlines or images and see who is one platform's better. Once your ad is running, monitor performance inside Ads Manager. Track key metrics CTR, CPC, CPM, conversions. Turn off poor performing ads. Scale winning ads by increasing budget slowly, like 1 to 10 to 20% per day. And that's how you set up first Facebook ads campaign in 2025. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what kind of campaign you are launching. Want a full video on retargeting or ad copywriting? Let me know in the comment. See you in the next video.